In this lesson, you will learn how to pronounce the word word. How to pronounce word American English pronunciation lesson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're focusing on the pronunciation of a very important and frequently used English word, word. This may seem like a simple word, but it's absolutely essential in both spoken and written English. The correct pronunciation is word, with a strong R sound, similar to the words bird and herd. Even native speakers sometimes mumble or slur this word, so speaking it clearly gives you an edge in communication. Let's break it down. A single syllable with the W at the beginning, followed by the sound, and ending with a soft D. Repeat after me, word, word, word. Try saying it in a sentence. Can you spell that word for me? Pronouncing basic English words properly lays the foundation for confident and effective speaking. This lesson is especially useful for beginners and non-native English learners. Keep repeating the word until it feels natural and clear. This video is part of our core vocabulary series, perfect for anyone building fluency step by step. Like and subscribe to keep learning with us. You're doing an excellent job. Now it's your turn to pronounce word.